Hey guys!
Hi! Welcome back to our channel. This evening we're going to go to Brisbane Powerhouse. We're going to take the ferry the whole way there. It's an old power station which they've turned into an arts venue with music, art exhibits, food. They have different chefs come in.
Yep.
So we're going to go check that out.
Yeah, I think I'm most looking forward to seeing these giant inflatable structures or no,
yeah, like
characters.
Big humans.
Yeah.
Like...
So yeah, that's going to be pretty cool to see. So yeah, see you guys in a sec.
Bye!